How to fix your iPhone screen mirroring not working. First of all, make sure iPhone and the device you're mirroring to are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open up your control center, tap on the mirror icon right over here, and then select your TV, Mac, or AirPlay compatible devices. If it does not appear, you can make sure that the AirPlay or screen mirroring is enabled on the receiving device. If it's still not working, you can turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and then back on onto your iPhone, then try connecting again. Next, restart both of your iPhone and TV or computer. This can fix temporary connection problem. You should even visit your settings, tap on General, scroll down to Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is updated. Check your TV, Mac or receiving software for update as well. And finally, if you are using a VPN, disable them for a minute and test screen mirroring again. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.